Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have n minus 4 and its whole power 4 is equals to n to the power of 4, and we will solve this problem for the values of n. So the very first thing we are going to do is, here first we will just move n to the power of 4 in the left hand side, and you will write it as n minus 4 and its power 4 minus n to the power of 4, and this whole equation is equals to 0. After this step we will rewrite this equation in the form of n minus 4 and its whole square and whole square minus n square and its whole square, and this equation is equals to 0. And now you can see here we can just use here the nice square formula, and you know about this one. If we have a square minus b square, it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b, so that we can just use here this nice formula. So the above equation will becomes in the form of uh, n minus 4 whole square minus n square into, here you have n minus 4 whole square plus n square, and this whole equation is equal to 0. And again you will see here we can again apply this formula on this term, so that when we can use this formula here, then you will get the output of this terms are n minus 4 minus n into n minus 4 plus n. And similarly you will just open this whole square, and you will get its output in the form of n square plus 16 minus 8n and plus n square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you can focus on both of the factors, and here you see that we will cancel these two terms, and you see that here you will just get minus 4 into, here you have n plus n is 2n minus 4 into, here you will obtain n square plus n square is 2n square and minus 8n and plus 16, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So after that, here we have two cases. The first case is we can just take minus 4 times of 2n minus 4 is equals to 0, and the other case is we take 2n square minus 8n plus 16 is equals to 0. So now you can just solve these two cases, and in the first case we move this minus 4 in the right hand side, and you will get here 2n minus 4 is equals to 0 over minus 4. So 0 over minus 4 will be equals to 0. And in order to find the value of n, we can just move this minus 4 in the right hand side, and you will get here 2n is equal to 4. And now we can see here 2 will be moved on the right hand side, so that we can just divide both of the sides by 2, and here you see that these 2 are cancelled, and we get n is equals to, here you have 2 2s are 4, so you get n is equals to 2. So this is the our first real root of this problem. So now in order to find the other roots, we can move towards this nice quadratic equation, and here you see that we have 2 be the common term. So now first I can divide each side by 2. So here you see that these are cancelled by each other, and you get here n squared minus, here you have 2 4s are 8, and here 2 8s are 16, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we will try to make the factors of this equation, or we can just use here the nice quadratic formula in order to solve this quadratic equation. So that here we have a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 4 and c is equals to 8. And now we can apply here the nice quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula will be written in the form of n is equals to minus b plus minus b squared minus 4 times of ac square root over 2 times of a. So this is the our quadratic formula, and now we can just put the values of a, b and c in this formula, and you will get here you have minus b, and when you can put b is equals to minus 4 here, so this minus and minus will becomes plus 4, and this is plus minus square root of, here you have b square and b is minus 4, so minus 4 square is equals to 16, minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 8, and this whole over 2 times of a is 1. So now here you can see that after simplification you will get here 4 plus minus square root of 16 minus 4 8s are 32 over 2 1s are 2. And now in the next step you will just write here n is equals to 4 plus minus, here you have 16 minus 32, and 16 minus 32 is equals to minus 16 square root over 2. And now we can again just simplify these terms, and you will get here 4 plus minus, here we can separate the square root, and you will write the square root of 16 into square root of minus 1 and this whole over 2. And finally you can see that we have 4 plus minus, here you have 16, and you can you know that the square root of 16 is equals to 4, and we can know about when the negative sign becomes under the square root, then you will just write here the square root of minus 1 is equals to iota. So now we can use here this basic concept of complex number, so that we can just put it here, and you will obtain 4 plus minus 4 iota over 2. And now we can just separate these terms, and you can write it as 4 over 2 plus minus 4 over 2 iota, and we will just cancel some terms here, and you get 2 plus minus 2 iota. So this is the our final other complex root of this problem, and here you have n is equals to 2 be the one real root, and these are the two other complex roots. So this is the our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.